Rob Anderson Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. We are about 80% done with this building complex. It's just about noon. Got out here, the buildings weren't that dirty. You can see the brick back behind me. About to go fire up equipment. We've got everything up to these corners have already actually been cleaned. The majority of the dirt, honestly, on these buildings was at these two. You can see up above me, like right about there. Where the roof basically drains off and it's really black and dirty. It's actually a Social Security Administration building that we're cleaning right now. And then we cleaned the other one, where there you can see this hello box truck. Cleaned that one first. Social Security Administration building's supposed to be all closed up soon, so. But not much to it. We had to bring water on this. We did price this a little bit on the low side. It was part of 6 other complexes that we're putting together a bid for. So this is the second and third ones that we're cleaning, and then you see what we already did over there with that. One mistake we made on this, where I positioned this rig, I should have positioned it probably about 50% of the way down there, so that way we could have reached all the way to the front and all the way to the back. We ended up being a little bit short getting all the way to that far end. Had to have the guys come around and get that side. They close at noon. Yep. Look, I want to say they open at 8 or 9. This is the only day that they're closed at 12. Yep. No problem. One other big thing, guys, before we started this project, I had my guys pulling hoses, get our lawn signs out and whatnot. But I went around like we did with other commercial complexes and go to each and every single door. Go talk to them and let them know, hey, we're in here, just wanted to let you know, we're gonna be cleaning the building. If you need anything, here's my cell phone number, call me, let me know. Had a little bit of communication issues. I guess they weren't fully aware that we were gonna be coming out today. But by doing that, again, it's setting me up in a better view from that person, so that I'm already a smiley, happy person that they met, and not just that person who's in the way. Communicated, smile, everybody have a great day, you know, all that stuff to make sure they're all happy. We also covered up all the little outlets outside, the little keypads and whatnot. Already got the tape down, taped the mailboxes. She's cleaning the inside now. I'm going around just doing more little inspection of it all to make sure we look good. And we'll fire the machine back up, finish that last bit. But this was, again, all of this was a Facebook lead. We did work for the wife, or actually, well, their company is property managers for this whole complex and a lot of other stuff around town. So we got that lead because she saw us doing other random videos, cleaning some of our community service stuff, and decided to give us a call. We got the job, and good. All right, this is also why you do an inspection. We got some streaking on that window back there. So I'm gonna look over at the rest of this and see what else needs to be touched up before we're all wrapped up. So just wanna make sure, again, we don't want to lose any opportunity to do more work for this customer. And even though each job may cost me a little bit more to do, to give them that higher level of service, just plain and simple, that's what we got to do. And we might hit those once more with a longer one. We got a little bit of, still a little bit, those were solid black. So again, just inspect your work, especially with commercial. We did these buildings, again, they were pretty much clean, basically $725 each. 4 guys, well, 5 guys really, 1 guy on water, 2 soapers, 2 rinsers. Got out here at 8:30, done by noon. Would I have liked to make, you know, $1,000 per building, $1,500 per building? Sure. But they just weren't that dirty at all. So just checking these windows and doors. But like I said, make sure that all these people know who you are, why you're there. And it's also a great way to hopefully get them to see you, impressed by your work, and give you their residential business at their house. So have a great day.